Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Toyota vehicles are made, step by step.
It all starts with precision and the right materials arriving on time. Here you can see our automated lines, where robotic precision shapes every panel before moving to assembly.
These automated stamping presses ensure the structural integrity of every vehicle body part with absolute precision engineering.
Overall equipment effectiveness is up 2% this quarter.
And the new welders are perfectly within spec.
Every vehicle is assembled with precision and tested for performance. Every vehicle is thoroughly inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how Toyota vehicles are made. Tell us, Caro, from start to finish.